Hey guys, just a little lesson here about nets. A net is a 2D shape that can be folded into a 3D object. If you saw the video I just posted, or you can check it out in a minute, I took this crazy net that has 20 triangles and I folded it into this cool shape. Now, just a recap, when you take a shape like a rectangle and you stretch it into 3D, that's called a prism. Okay? So a rectangular prism. If you take a triangle and you stretch it into 3D, it's called a triangular prism. So with this one, let's just see if I can zoom in a little bit. With this one here, we've got three different nets. And these three nets, if you wanted to, you could copy them out on a bigger piece of paper and fold them and make a shape. What shape would each of these be? They're each going to be a different shape. So your task is to, in your mind, using your imagination, picture this, picture what it would look like if it were folded up. Okay. Again, if you look up here for an example, there's this one, this shape. When it's folded up, you could picture folding this back and fold that over and fold these around, and it would end up being this box shape, this kind of rectangular prism box shape. If you do it with this, you'd fold this down, and fold the other two around, and it will make this triangular prism shape. Now, these ones are all going to be something different. They're all going to make their own shape. So that's what you're supposed to do there. What type of prism would this one make? And this one, and this one. Write the name of the type of prism it would be on the back side here. Now you've got to circle which of these shapes here, this one or this one, this one or this one, this one or this one. Which of these is going to successfully make a cube, a rectangular prism, and a triangular prism? One of these will make a triangular prism, the other won't. If you're not sure, you could always get a piece of paper and copy out those shapes just by hand and cut them out and fold it up and see which ones work and which ones don't. And that's exactly what you can do here. You can trace this out on another piece of paper and then cut it out, fold it along the lines here, and see what kind of shape it makes. Now, when you get to this one, that's much trickier, but it's a lot more fun as well because it makes this cool 20-sided shape. So, and stretch your thinking. You can draw on here a net for a cube, okay? And write the letters T and B on two faces of the net so that when the net is folded, T will be on top and B will be on the bottom. That's pretty tricky to do, but try and imagine it. Again, using your brain to imagine what it's going to look like.